Hi everybody, and welcome to FIBO Group's fourth tutorial on the Metatrader 4 platform. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at generating account reports and looking at workspace profiles, as well as changing our charting templates. If you go down to the bottom of the terminal window, you can see several tabs down here, but the two I want you to pay attention to is Account History and the Trade tab. The Trade tab shows you the current trades in the market, and the Account History shows you your historical trading action. You can expand the size of the window by just coming to the top of the window here and lifting it up. And if you want to make it smaller, you just drag it back down. In the Trading tab, most of the data is pretty self-explanatory, such as the time the trade was executed, the type, the size of the trade, the symbol, which means the currency pairs, as well as the price, and where you've placed the stop loss. If we go to the Account History tab, that is also pretty similar to the Trading tab. If we go right over to the right-hand side, we can see that it has a bit of information here, which shows the profit and the loss. To save an account summary of your account history or trading history, just right-click anywhere in the window and click Save as Report, and then choose the folder you would like to save it to, and then just click the Save button. And then you just finish it off. It's a good idea to regularly change your password for security reasons. And to do that, you need to come to the Tools tab, and then you need to go down to the Options, and then you need to make sure that the Server tab is selected. To begin the process, we need to click the Change button. And the first thing we need to do is enter our old password. After we've done that, we can choose a new password. But before we do that, we should read the text up above here, as our password must contain a number of different symbols. So let's go ahead and enter a new password. And now we can confirm the password we just entered. Notice here we've chosen to change master password. If we've chosen to change the investor password, that means you could be sharing it with somebody else. So we choose change master password, which means the password's only for you. Now we can go ahead and click OK. Click OK again. Our password is now changed, and you will need it in the future to log on to Metatrader 4. It's also possible to choose the layout and the look of the chart that you are using on the screen. So to do this, we just go up to the Charts tab, and then we come down to the Template, and then we can come down here and just choose a different template. As you can see, the look of the chart now is very different, and it's always got some different indicators and many different pipes, etc. You can also manage your workstation profiles by going to the File tab and scrolling down to Profiles, and then coming over and choosing whichever profile you would like to use. Once you've chosen one of the profiles you would like to use, you may want to make some changes for future use. So we go back to the File tab and we scroll down to Profiles again, and then we find the Save As tab and we click that. Now we need to enter a name for our new profile. And we click OK. After this, we can come back to the File tab, go down to Profiles, come over to our list, and we can see here that our new profile that we created has been saved. That's all for me in this tutorial on Metatrader 4, and I'll see you in the next lesson.